Hello students, today our topic is Foundation of Artificial Intelligence. Various disciplines that contributed ideas, viewpoints, and techniques to AI. So we can understand the foundation of artificial intelligence through these pictures. So the first is philosophy. Philosophy provides base to AI by providing theories of relationship between physical brains and mental minds. Rules for drawing valid conclusions. It is also provides information about knowledge origin and the knowledge leads to action. And secondly, psychology, to investigate human nature. Psychology provides strong concepts of how human and animal think and act, which helps AI for developing process of thinking and action. Linguistic, the meaning and structure of language. Knowledge representation and grammar. C is cognitive science. In it about information that represent knowledge. Mathematics, theories of logic, probability, decision making, and computation. So this is the foundation of artificial intelligence. So now we have discussed history of AI. The invention of computers in 1941 availed the technology to create machine intelligence. However, it was not until the 50s that the link between human intelligence and machine was really observed. So, in 19, the first ever conference on artificial intelligence came in 1956 at that Dartmouth College to talk about what artificial intelligence really is and what the plans are for the future. In 1943, first Billing circuit model of brain is developed. In 1950, the first advancement in the field made by Alan Turing for the Turing test. It said if a machine could carry on a conversation that could not be differentiated from that of a human, then the machine had begun thinking. And Turing test we have already discussed in previous lecture. In the Turing test, there are two computers, one is in computers and one the interrogator. If a person sit in a computer and type anything and wait for a reply, then another part of computer which is the location is far from his judge what is the when he received the reply. So first he judge if this is the reply by a computer or a human being. If he if he can't judge if this is the reply by a computer or a human being, then you can say that it is a computer or it is an intelligent computer. In 1952-69, early enthusiasm and great expectation, a machine can do X. In 1956, sorry, in 1956, AI emerged as a field in computer science. The term was coined in Dartmouth Conference. In 1956 to 1958, Lisp language developed. In 1965, Robinson's complete algorithm for logical reasoning. In 1966 to 74, AI discovers computational complexity, neural network research almost disappears. In 1969 to 79, early development of knowledge-based system, and 1980 to 88, expert system industry booms. The field revived. The British government started funding to AI again to compete with the efforts made by the Japanese. One of the first popular AI films, The Terminator, was released, where the film showed a war between machine and humans. In 1980, AI becomes an industry. In 1987 to 1993, the second AI builder period. In 1997, the field picked up again as IBM Deep Blue Computer beat the reigning world champion Gary Kasparov. In 2003, and in 2001, Steven Spielberg released AI artificial intelligence Tech Gamma and a robotic boy who dreams to be human. In 2003, human-level AI back on the agenda. In 2011, IBM Boston released Gepardo, an American TV quiz show, beating the problem champions Breadwriter and Pangea. Afterward, Apple introduced Siri, an intelligent personal assistant, on its iPhone X. In 2012, Google launched its version of Free Google Now. Now, it is discussed what is the difference between human brains and computers. What is a brain? Human brain are analog, which is neural, high rate, synchronous, likeness, and in computer are digital. Brain use content addressable memory. In computer use byte addressable memory, and brain is a massively parallel machine. And computer are modular and serial. Brain works on neurons, and computer works on electrons. Processing speed is not fixed in the brain. The human brain can think fastly and slowly, but in computer, processing speed is fixed and there is a system clock. Every system has a fixed speed and is a system clock. In brain, short-term memory only holds pointer to long-term memory, and in computer, RAM and isomorphic data. In human brains, no hardware-software distinction can be made with respect to its brain or mind. No computer has clear distinction between hardware and software. Brain is a self-organizing system. Brain is a self-organizing system, but computer are usually not self-organizing. We have to create a system. We have in a proper manner to program the programming and code. Storage device, electrochemical in nature, but in computer, storage device are is electronic, magnetic, and electronic. Speed of transmission between neurons is of the order of 50 to 100 milliseconds, but in computer, speed of movement of electrons is approximately the speed of light. Now, the difference between conventional computing and intelligent computing. Conventional programming usually involves data storage, computation, and reporting. It is difficult to understand the logic of a particular application by examining the code alone. And in AI program, our usually has a definite separation between a set of rules, managers or general logic statements, and a processor or engine that operates on those rules. This separation provides a means by which the how and why of the operation of an AI program. AI program also typically deal with implicit, incomplete, and noisy data, where a conventional program operates with explicit and complete information. These are the some differences on the basis of dimensions. First is processing. Processing, conventional computing algorithm, and in intelligent computing includes conceptualization. Nature of input, conventional must be complete, intelligent computing can be complete. Such approach based on algorithm and in intelligent computing based on rules and heuristics. Explanation from in conventional computing not provided and in intelligent computing provided. Focus data information and intelligent knowledge, maintenance and update, okay, and viewpoint, quantity, and in artificial intelligence, reasonable and logical reasoning. In AI programs, symbolic processing, conventional and numeric processing, it involves large knowledge base and conventional programs, large data, modification of frequent and in conventional modification of rare. In AI program, heuristic search technique is used. Heuristic search means where you have many options, but you have to choose which option is better to get the goal in a minimum time. Okay? And in conventional program, algorithmic search technique is used. If you have first designed the algorithm, then you have used. Knowledge is imprecise, in conventional knowledge is precise. Thank you.